अगर आपको एक जॉब चाहिए और इफ़ यू वांट एन इंटर्नशिप और गेट इन्वेस्टमेंट्स फॉर योर स्टार्टअप्स, then let me tell you it can all be done by just an email. And in this video I'll be giving you a step by step guide on how to write a cold email, and by the end of this video I will also provide 3 free templates that you can use that will fetch you a guaranteed reply from others. Hey everyone, this is Gauri and you're watching Gaur Say, and in this video I'll be breaking down cold emailing into 4 easy steps. So for those who don't know what cold emailing is, कोल्ड ईमेल तब किया जाता है व्हेन यू वांट टू सेंड एन ईमेल टू समवन जिनको आप पहले से नहीं जानते. पीपल डू इट फॉर सीकिंग जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटीज, इंटर्नशिप, स्टार्टअप इन्वेस्टमेंट्स, प्रमोशंस, collaborations, or even just for building connection. Some people think that emails have gotten outdated because of the emergence of Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter, etc. You'll notice कि even when you connect to someone through Insta or LinkedIn, you're probably redirected to their mail. इसलिए cold emailing in today's time is very very important and relevant. I have no idea why colleges don't include this in their syllabus. क्योंकि एडवांसमेंट्स एंड ऑल के वजह से इट्स लिटरली पॉसिबल फॉर अस टू रीच आउट टू एनीवन, सो व्हाई नॉट मेक द बेस्ट आउट ऑफ इट. सो लेट्स गेट इनटू इट. देखते हैं 4 इजी स्टेप्स जिससे यू गाइस कैन नेल कोल्ड ईमेलिंग. Step 1. Finding someone's email address. So the first thing that comes to our mind is to check their social media like LinkedIn, Twitter, Instagram profiles and so on. वहाँ पे people do give their email addresses, but अगर वहाँ नहीं मिला तो what we can do is we can use email scrappers like Lusha. तो उनके LinkedIn प्रोफाइल के हेल्प से we can get their email addresses. One more thing is each company has its own email format. तो उसके थ्रू भी you can get a set person's email. For example, I am working for XYZ company and the format is gauri.xyz. So you'll know how to connect to a person from that particular company. All you need to do is go on to their website and do थोड़ा इधर उधर का research. Let's hop on to step 2. द सब्जेक्ट लाइन. ये एक कोल्ड ईमेल का सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट पार्ट है. दिस डिसाइड्स वेदर योर मेल इज इवन गोना बी ओपनड और नॉट, बिकॉज आवर मेन एम इज वी नीड अ रेस्पॉन्स. अ नेगेटिव रेस्पॉन्स इज स्टिल बेटर देन नथिंग, बिकॉज देन यू नो इफ यू शुड बी पुटिंग योर एनर्जी हियर और नॉट. Say if you get a response saying we are not in a position to help you or we don't have job offerings at the moment, so you'll know कि okay, I don't have to channelize my energy here, let's try somewhere else. So for our mail to be responded, पहली बात तो it should be noticed. तो उसके लिए we need to keep it really very catchy. So a mail is known by its subject line. Subject line सबसे ऊपर दिखता है, तो we need to keep it really very catchy. So let's keep in mind, hey I'm looking for a job offer or hey can you take out some time. ऐसे सब sentences use नहीं करने हैं. They get a lot of these and they're done with such emails. It should be something that interests them. It should be something that makes us stand out of the crowd. What do you have to offer and how is your skill relevant to them? इसको जितना precisely लिखोगे उतना better होगा. यही नहीं, और भी तरीके हैं लिखने के. द मोर क्रिएटिव इट इज़, द मोर आउट ऑफ द क्राउड इट इज़, द मोर इट विल बी नोटिस्ड. अनदर थिंग वी नीड टू टेक केयर ऑफ इज दैट आवर लैंग्वेज शुड बी वेरी सिंपल. एक बच्चे को समझ आना चाहिए. A 5th grader should be able to understand what is being conveyed through that email. This is not an area for us to flaunt our English, so we need to keep that in mind. Let's take an example. So अभी मेरा कोई बिजनेस है and someone is mailing me saying कि oh your business can be digitalized too. इसको ऑनलाइन भी लाया जा सकता है and इससे आपको ये perks मिलेंगे, ये benefits होंगे and all. तो वो मेरे लिए attention grabbing है because it's something in my interest. तो मुझे वो मेल खोलने में इंटरेस्ट होगा and I'll end up opening it. Let's talk about step 3, the main body. हमें ये ध्यान में रखना है कि वो पूरा मेल should not take more than 60 seconds to be read. Now, if someone comes across a very long email, it's already a turn off for them because they have to put in that much time and effort to read it. जितना हम precise रखेंगे, जितना हम उसे to the point रखेंगे, उतने chances बढ़ जाते हैं that they'll read and respond to our message. तो long paragraphs and all won't work here. Long emails नहीं, effective emails is what we are aiming for. तो मेन बॉडी को 3 पार्ट्स में डिवाइड करना है. द फर्स्ट पैराग्राफ जहाँ आप एक कनेक्ट एस्टैब्लिश करोगे उनके साथ एंड इट शुड नॉट बी मोर देन 2 or 3 लाइन्स. फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर आपको कोई सीधा लिख देगा दैट आई एम सो एंड आई नीड सो एंड सो जॉब इन योर फर्म, सो वहाँ एक इमोशनल कनेक्ट एस्टैब्लिश हुआ ही नहीं है. वाई वुड दैट पर्सन गिव यू अ जॉब? What is the relation? So first paragraph में we need to establish that relation over there based on whom your email. Coming to the second paragraph. तो सेकेंड पैराग्राफ में फाइंड एन एरिया दैट कैन बी इम्प्रूव्ड and show them how you are the solution to it. Be best if you're able to show your work on their projects. Say someone wants to handle my Insta. So if they make a post for me and include it in that mail, it gets very effective because wahan I can actually see the perks I'll be getting if I hire this particular individual. And do make sure that you put the links to whatever you're sharing throughout your mail. You must make it a point that the person reading this mail does not have the time or the need to go over your profile and see what your work is. ये सब करने का best way is कि आप बहुत सारा research करो. Search it up online, find out about the people involved in it, or even interact with people who are currently working with that particular firm in a role that you are aiming for and collect information from them. So ये सब करने से आपको एक बहुत clear idea मिलेगा about what is required and is it aligning with what you have to offer, which is the best way to present your skills, and a lot more. So when your mail is being read and that person actually comes to know कि अच्छा इसने अच्छा खासा research किया है about the job, तो वहाँ efforts दिख जाते हैं and that is really very impressive. It's naturally impressive. अगर मुझे पता चलेगा कि someone is taking out time, someone is taking out their energy to find out, to research about my firm or about my company, then I'll be impressed in that very moment. So वो involvement and that research is very important. Try this out and you will stand out of the crowd and get the attention you're looking for. Third paragraph में you need to ask or request depending upon your mail's nature, but it should be very precise. एकदम to the point होना चाहिए. Do not make the mistake of asking generic or vague questions जैसे I passed my 12th standard, what career am I supposed to use, I have so and so money, where am I supposed to invest. The person reading this mail doesn't know your background or your interest, so they can't comment उन सब बातों पे. So by doing this, the chances for getting a response also decreases. So we need to keep in mind that our third paragraph should be very precise and to the point. It should be possible to answer it within one sentence. Let's hop on to the fourth and the final step. Follow up. So you send a mail to someone, you wait for 2 business days. फिर भी reply नहीं आया तो एक follow up mail कर दो. Now this mail should reflect कि आप acknowledge करते हो that the person is busy and all that. It should look very humble and it should not be very pushy, because when emails get pushy or very insisting or desperate, it is tend to be ignored. So what we can do is we can start with something like, hey, I know you've been quite busy, just wanted to circle back and check if this mail has reached to you or not. Please let me know if you're interested. 2 बार follow up कर लो and still if you don't get a reply, my suggestion would be let it be at least for the time being, क्योंकि spam करने से कुछ होने वाला नहीं है. If there are any future opportunities, वो भी बिगड़ जाएंगे if you spam, because they'll end up blocking you. So yes, these were the 4 steps for cold emailing. I hope you guys liked it. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Do let me know what improvements you think I can make. I'd love to hear from you all. For more such content, stay tuned.